friend, Rich.
Bruce,
What are you going to make for me today?
we're going to take an attempt at making a Greek chicken.
Because I don't like the thing when you say attempt. What is it?
I've never made it before.
Oh, well, actually, I attempt to do a lot of things and I screw them up, but they still taste good. So
Right, yeah, no, it's
it'll
going
be all
to taste great. I have no doubt with that.
Cool, so it's a, what are you
It's basically I'm marinated, and then it's going to be smothered in Greek yogurt.
Ah,
And it's going to get a nice blend. It's going to cook all the way through, and then it should be nice. And I have a, how do you say it? The stuff for the gyro sauce, the
tzatziki.
tzatziki. That's it, tzatziki.
Yeah,
I have
yeah.
some tzatziki.
All right.
I was going to make some, but I bought some last weekend, and I still have most of it left. So I figured might as well not let it go to waste.
Okay. Well, I mean, yeah. I love cucumber and
Oh yeah, and this stuff is good. This is what I got.
cucumber and dill. I mean, you can't go wrong.
Yeah.
So.
So,
All
anyway,
right.
so I have, and then I got some pita bread. So we'll grill up some pita bread. We'll put some tzatziki on it. We'll throw some chicken on it, and it should be delicious.
Man, that sounds good. All right, let me get out of here, your way
All right.
here, and you can get started.
I'm on week 3 of the same clothes.
That's impressive.
I know. Still haven't bathed. Somehow we still have the same bowl of popcorn around.
I know.
It's amazing. We're like defying all the laws of time and space.
Does the law of physics not exist
Not
on your stovetop?
Not on my stovetop.
All right, so
So-
we'll be trimming up a little chicken.
Yeah, and really need to just cut this in strips. You know,
Oh, okay.
because we should be able to do a little shredding once it's cooked
All right.
to get it on there. So I don't know how other people do this. I know this is a thing, and I did actually look up a recipe for the seasoning, the marinade, but that's all I'm going to worry about.
So what you're telling me you're gonna shred this up after you cook it?
Yes.
Wow,
After that.
that's awesome. Okay.
I'm not going to stick it in a blender and try to get shredded chicken beforehand.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay, I'm going to get a marinade thrown together and we should be good. So, we good here?
Yep. On fire.
Fire! Good thing with this is Cindy will use this Greek yogurt that I don't use in a smoothie or something.
Oh yeah.
We're putting a cup in. I'm going to go a little bit over. I mean, as long as my ratio of everything is fine. Okay, we're going to go 4th cup here. A little bit more. Got to do Bruce's little fancy trip.
You gotta roll that lemon.
Got to roll that lemon.
It breaks up all the stuff and be getting some good juice out of there, Rich.
That's right.
Good juice.
But I need zest first, too. So before I cut into it, we're going to zest it. And there it is. Alright, and then we're going to cut this open and get all the juice out of this as we can. Just see how much juice you can get out of this thing once you roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it.
It is. It makes a difference.
And I'm hoping not to get any pits. Doesn't look like I got any. Okay, we need our garlic. 4 cloves again. Probably a bit much. Garlic's wonderful, man.
It is. I know it is, Rich. But
It's wonderful, man.
But damn.
My oregano. And just a koosh of this. We tong it.
you're gonna tong it.
We're gonna tong it. No whisk this time, baby. It's all the tong. So, alright, so that's going in the fridge for an hour. And we're going to throw this on the flat top.
I've seen this done, but I've never actually done it. I've never got to taste anything like it, so I'm real curious how this.
Yeah, I'd say Chase makes it, but he slow smokes his. But he slow smokes everything, and it's really good. You know, it's pull apart tender when it comes off.
Right.
These are pretty good to go almost right out of the gate, but like a tortilla one.
They're definitely better when you heat them up.
They're a little more pliable.
Yep.
I mean, you can either cut into these and make it a pocket, or just roll it up like a gyro. I'm gonna roll it up like a gyro.
Oh, I like cutting them into them, so.
This sticky I had from the other day. This stuff lasts forever too.
Does it? Well, yeah, I guess it would.
Get a nice layer of some tzatziki. Listen to my dog bark inside the house because she's not getting any tzatziki.
So.
That's good. That's good.
The verdict is in then, almost actually.
Yes.
We gotta, you know.
It's like that yogurt just blended into it.
The sun is just perfect to see that white boy's washed out face. And skeleton qualities. And we taste.
We taste. The chicken actually turned out really good.
Yeah? Good, good.
I like pita bread. I love the sauce. It's America. Do this. Let's cook the damn food.
Oh yeah.
This is done.
I'm sure it probably is now.
Not coming. It's done.
And now it doesn't matter. Alright.
Somebody's gonna get it. Oh, that was a camera too. Oh, on camera.
Oh yeah.